Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is crashing. What the hell is going on with Tesla today? Well, let's try to understand why it is dropping so much and how to proceed in a scenario like this. But first, my friends, remember, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, just subscribe because I do daily analysis every single day. I'm here to update you on Tesla and on other stocks. Now, Tesla year to date is dropping 16%. However, our weekly portfolio is going up 14%. Tesla is dropping 16%. We are up 14%. How do we do that? Hard work and strategy. If you want to trade with me using a consistent strategy that has a solid track record, subscribe our trading newsletter. My website is in the link below on the description of this video. My performance is totally public. I have absolutely nothing to hide. If you want to make money with me, subscribe at our trading newsletter. Thank you very much, my friends. Let's see how Tesla is doing right now today. Right now, Tesla, unfortunately, it is not bullish in the midterm anymore. I told you guys yesterday that the 976, this is the most important support level in Tesla, and today we lose it. So right now we lost the key point, and we did a classic bearish pivot point in the daily chart. So unfortunately, no, it is not a bull trend anymore. Tesla is not bullish. And as far as we know, we don't see any meaningful bullish reaction that could save Tesla right now, either in the long or in the short term. Okay, in the 1 hour chart, for instance, we see a massive drop. I was very optimistic regarding Tesla yesterday. I told you guys that above the 1008, it would be amazing. Tesla would probably fly again and retest the 1034 or even the 1087. However, Tesla didn't break this point yesterday, and right now we lost the 976. So that's a shame. Tesla is not bullish in the midterm, neither in the short term. We don't see any meaningful bullish structure or bullish sign that could indicate us that Tesla could reverse right now. But we have some interesting key points to work with today. For instance, 889. This point, this red line down here, was March 1 top over here. It worked as a resistance 1, 2, 3 times in the past. And right now, it could work as a support level. But we have decent chances. And the indices can give us more clues about that. When we analyze the S&P is already very close to the support level at 4167. In my humble opinion, this black line, also seen in the weekly chart as well, is the most important support level on the S&P. Only if the index loses this support level, I think you're gonna trigger this head and shoulders chart pattern, and we could drop and engage a true bear market that could last for months or even years, I don't know. But I do agree that it's not gonna be easy for the index to lose this support level right now, because we have been dropping for 4 weeks right now. And what's even more interesting is that the index is dropping, but the volume is not high at all. The volume is below the average. It is telling us that we are dropping because investors are just afraid and cautious. They are not actually selling or short selling it because they don't believe the US market will collapse. Instead, they are just cautious because of all the bad catalysts that are going on, like interest rates, inflation, and right now, specifically today, earnings. We have Google and Microsoft earnings today, so the market is pretty nervous about that as well. We don't know how the market will react after earnings, but still, it feels to me we are just dropping because investors are nervous and cautious, not because they totally believe the US market will collapse for good. And this is why we see the index dropping, but the volume is below the average. Okay, so in my humble opinion, it's going to be very hard for the index to keep dropping like this. Maybe tomorrow we're going to see some volatility, but I don't expect this volatility will last for too long. right now. The Nasdaq, on the other hand, it is already at its support level, which is around 12,576 points, this black line down here. This point is the key point on the Nasdaq. And I told you guys yesterday that I was really expecting to see the Nasdaq dropping a little bit more to retest this support level, and it did. That's quite good. That's an amazing technical signal. However, we don't see any meaningful reaction, but if we do, don't you agree that this is going to be just an interesting entry point for any long position? Because we are near support level, the index already looks exhausted. We have been dropping for weeks and weeks. All indices, the S&P dropping with low volume, everything over here is telling us that maybe many stocks will find their bottom levels. Now back to Tesla. If Tesla is going to find its bottom, right now is the best time for do that, because we are just above this support level and we don't see any reaction right now. But if we do, this is gonna be just an exhaustion bar, okay? A very big bar after the bearish movement already materialized with high volume. So this could be an amazing bottom signal on Tesla. However, we must wait for some confirmation that will only come in the next few days. If tomorrow we do a very good bullish candlestick pattern, if today we close above 889, that's going to be good. If tomorrow we do a bullish candlestick pattern, that's going to be great. And if the indices follow this movement just at their support levels, this is going to be even better. So it all depends on how Tesla is going to react from here right now. I don't see an opportunity to trade Tesla at this moment, but we might see one soon. If you are a long, let's say you are a long-term investor, you don't plan on trade Tesla, but you want to add positions. Maybe you have some cash and you want to add positions in Tesla right now. I see a 10% drop as a very good opportunity for you to add positions for the long term, because as far as I know, Tesla, fundamentally speaking, it is still the same old good company. It is still giving us amazing results. So great if you want to add positions for the long term without a crystal clear target on your mind. That's your lead. Days like today are incredible opportunities for long-term investors, and I just believe Tesla will recover, because long-term speaking, in the weekly chart, Tesla is still bullish, okay? It is still doing higher highs, higher lows. I don't see any crystal clear bearish structure going on. So I think today is just an opportunity to add positions as long-term investors. If you're out of Tesla, I think it could give us a nice opportunity to buy it soon. And if you are a short seller, I think right now is a good time to start thinking about booking profits, meaning buying back your positions, because we are near support levels. This is how I see the situation in Tesla, my friends. Subscribe to this channel. Are you still watching this video and you are not my subscriber? What the hell are you doing? Subscribe to this channel. If you want to trade with me using a consistent strategy, subscribe our trading newsletter. Thank you very much for watching this video, my friends. Stay safe. Farewell.